Hello everyone, today I'll be giving you the overview about the action camera, that is Xiaomi Mijia 4K action camera, which I have been using for over a month. If you have not seen the unboxing video of the same, then I will be adding the link in the video description and as well as in the card. I just want to make things fair that almost all the clips are straight from the action camera. There are certain things that you will like about it and there are certain things that you will dislike about it. Let's get started. I have divided the video based on how I have tested its usability. I did record most of the videos at different available resolutions and at different frame rates. I recorded videos while walking, while running. I also recorded videos in high frame rates, converted them into the slow motion videos which you will see in a moment. There is also a photo in video, photo mode and a burst mode. You will also get an inbuilt time lapse. However, I use time lapse photo feature to get the desired frame rates with a better video. While walking, I found it's better to use 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second, and it has inbuilt stabilization. However, if you have stabilization software, then I would recommend you to use 4K at so that you can use the camera to its full potential. I'm also more inclined towards higher frame rate videos, so I found that it's better to record at 60 or at 100 fps. There's built-in slow motion mode, but it will record without sound. I tend to record videos at higher frame rates so that I could slow down according to my needs. And it will retain the sound as well. I will recommend to use Full HD or 2K as you will get better quality video compared to the high definition video in slow motion. This feature does not require you to press shutter for taking photographs. Once you have hit the record button, it will start taking photographs in regular interval. Here the camera takes 3 photos upon hitting the record button. So every time you hit the record button, 3 photos will be taken. I prefer time-lapse photo mode as I can create high quality videos using JPEG or DNG files, and on top of that I have even the photographs of the same video. That is all I found relevant for reviewing this product that I have purchased. There are various other features like F-log, which I did not talk about as I did not feel that I am the right person to talk about it. I hope you have liked the video. If you have any questions about the action camera, please do let me know in the comments below and I will try to answer.